Welcome to the Advanced Experimentation Masterclass. And this course is relevant for you if you've been doing experimentation for a couple of years and maybe you want to get your experimentation to a next level. In this course, experts from all over the world will speak about the subjects that they know most about, and they will help you get to the next level. I'm Lucia van den Brink, and I'm a founder and consultant at Increase-Conversions.com. I'm also the founder of Women in Experimentation, which is a global Slack community with over 500 women helping each other out globally. Super cool. I won the Chameleon Thought Leadership Award for conversion rate optimization, and the Women in Experimentation community won a culture award. About this course, you will learn how to go from spaghetti testing to more strategic testing. You will learn how to optimize your ideation process and how to create better hypotheses. You will also get a very helpful intro into change management. You will learn how to document an experimentation program, how to do app testing, do meta-analysis, grow in experimentation maturity, and work with or build centers of excellence. Lots of cool stuff to look forward to. Let me introduce you to this course and to the people that are going to be your instructors in this course. Why this course? I wanted you to be able to learn from the best experimenters all over the world. The first lesson is about strategic testing. So it's about going from random spaghetti testing to a more strategic plan. In this first lesson, you will learn how to create a well-informed optimization strategy from research and data. And by triangulating data, you'll find the biggest problems and opportunities in order to optimize and have the biggest impact. I'll host this first session, and there is also a possibility to learn more in another course. Then we'll dive into ideation and collaboration and how to come up with new and impactful hypotheses. I'll also be the host of this course. And after that, we will get an introduction into change management. And the instructor of this course is Ruben de Boer, and Ruben is conversion manager at the agency Online Dialogue. He will teach us about change management and how to work with stakeholders. He's been into CRO for 14 years, won 2 Experimentation Elite Awards, and he hosts a popular Udemy course on conversion rate optimization, which has more than 1,200 students. Next to that, he loves to travel and meet people and learn about other cultures. Then the lesson after that is about documentation and communication within experimentation programs. This is a lesson that I'll be responsible for. And next to how to document tests and why that's so important, I'll also include some basics of storytelling, which can be very helpful for when you want to convey the story of an A/B test or when you want to talk about the growth within, for example, a certain quarter. After that, we'll have a lesson about engaging workshops, and Annika Thomson will host this lesson. She is currently Director of Client Services at Speero, and she's been working in digital marketing and optimization since 2012. She's very skilled at tackling complex client problems and working with experimentation clients to help them grow. She's currently leading the strategist team and is account director on Speero's European clients. She's leading and supporting different types of workshops for internal and client teams. And that's why I asked her to help us out in this course. She will be talking about how to create engaging workshops and other interactive formats you can use to improve your experimentation program and build a culture. Also, I've learned she's a pretty good bouncer at parties, and also she's a true believer in optimizing your home coffee, so you always have a reliable coffee source. After that, we'll go into meta-analysis. Meta-analysis of your A/B test and of all the results that you've been gathering, maybe throughout the years, maybe throughout certain months. So with a few simple tweaks to your documentation, you can gain profound insights and minimize biases by doing meta-analysis. Ruben will be hosting this session. After that, we'll dive into experimentation program management. This is hosted by Ben Labay. He is currently CEO at Speero. He has years of experience leading enterprise experimentation programs next to running experimentation agency. He's very good at abstract thinking and shaping information into bite-sized models. He will teach you what he knows about experimentation program management, help you grow also your experimentation maturity, and show you some ways to build a center of excellence. He has an academic background, and way back he used to count and research lizards in Austin. After that, I'll give you an intro into app testing. I'm very excited to tell and teach you about app testing. I have experience running experimentation programs for 2 big companies, and app testing is always very different. So I'll share a couple of different ways that you can start and get into app testing. After that, we'll dive into experimentation maturity audits. Ben will talk about this, how those audits work, what they focus on, and how you can use that information. The lesson after that is about building a center of excellence. There is not a lot of people out there that have built centers of excellence. It's still quite rare. And Ben will interview a couple of center of excellence leaders to ask them how they build a center of excellence and what the effect is on an organization. He will also share his view on centers of excellence. For now, that's the introduction of the course lessons and its experts.